Hi, today we're here to talk about the top 5 reasons to purchase a certified Hyundai vehicle. I'm Mike Gerken. I'm with Junction Hyundai in Bel Air, Maryland. We're going to start with first the awards. It has won Edmunds' Best Certified Pre-Owned Car Program and Auto Trader's Top Non-Luxury CPO Program. Number 2 is going to be your warranty. You get the balance of the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from date of original in-service. You get also the balance of the 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from date of original in-service as well. Number 3 is going to be your Roadside Assistance warranty. It goes from a 5-year unlimited mile roadside assistance warranty to 10 years unlimited miles, good throughout the continental US and Canada. And it comes out for jump starts, locking your keys in the car, needing gas, and towing in most cases. Number 4 is going to be best of the best, get to be a certified pre-owned Hyundai. 5 years or newer, they have to be in almost like new condition, and less than 60,000 miles. Number 5 is going to be your inspection. It's a 173-point inspection with this program. And your certified book shows you the inspections that they do. Parts that are serviced and can't be fixed, they get replaced. And don't forget, it adds up to $2,000 worth of value to your selection. We have a huge selection of certified pre-owned Hyundais at the dealership. Don't forget, I'm Mike Gerken here at Jones Hyundai in Bel Air, Maryland. Come see me.